All right, data nerds, it's time to run the numbers. Today we're diving into this month's top 3 stock picks. As always, I'm here to deliver market insights and actionable trade ideas to help you navigate these choppy waters. Because even though the S&P 500 recently hit 5,916, interest rate cuts may be coming sooner than expected, and there's a lot of volatility as big investors rebalance their portfolios. Plus, there's a ton of news about AI, semiconductors, and consumer demand that will shape our markets in the coming months. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your portfolio, today's picks have long-term potential, solid fundamentals, and real momentum. Let's break it down. And quick reminder, if you need more proof, check out the description for all the details. All right, let's dive in. Quick market context. First, let's start with the big picture. Now, let's look at the sectors. Tech is leading the charge, powering the overall market higher. Semiconductors are red hot with Nvidia leading the charge. Chip makers are benefiting from strong demand for AI chips and other semiconductors. Consumer discretionary and communication services are also doing well. Energy and materials are lagging behind. But with oil prices stabilizing and China reopening, they might bounce back soon. Okay, now let's move to our top stock picks for May 2025. Stock number 1, Microsoft. This is a no-brainer for a reason. It's the only stock in IBD's exclusive long-term leaders list that's part of the Magnificent Seven. These are 7 mega-cap stocks with winning characteristics, and Microsoft is killing it. Their last earnings report was stellar. They posted an 18% jump in earnings per share and $70.1 billion in revenue last quarter. This marks 7 straight quarters of double-digit gains. And what's impressive is that they're a mature company posting these numbers. This shows their dominance in cloud, enterprise AI, and operating systems. They're a true blue-chip compounder. So if you want stability and upside, Microsoft is the way to go. Next up, Supermicro Computer. This stock is a bit risky, but offers huge potential. SMCI specializes in building servers that train AI models, not just for Meta or Google, but for everyone from startups to big businesses. Revenue exploded 200% year over year last quarter, reaching nearly $1.5 billion. Demand for AI infrastructure is skyrocketing, but the chip supply can't keep up. So there's a huge opportunity here, and Supermicro is well positioned to benefit. Most industry insiders expect the AI boom to last for years. Morgan Stanley predicts server revenue will grow by 20% annually through 2027. That's why Goldman Sachs sees SMCI as a top pick in AI infrastructure. So for aggressive growth investors, Supermicro is a game changer. Don't miss out on this 10x potential stock over the next 5 to 10 years. But don't forget, it's a volatile ride. Now banking stocks are back in play. After a rough patch in 2023, banks are finally bouncing back. Interest rates are no longer going up. Inflation is cooling down and consumer demand is holding steady. It's a perfect recipe for banks to thrive. And among them, JPMorgan Chase is the undisputed king. Recently, they increased their dividend by 14%. And get this, their earnings are already at record levels despite higher interest rates. It's a testament to their strong loan demand and net interest income. And let's not forget about their fortress balance sheet. When things get shaky in the markets, investors flock to safety, and JP Morgan exudes stability. And they have a great mix of commercial banking, investment banking, asset management, and more. It's a well-balanced portfolio that keeps them ahead of the game. If you're looking for stability, income, and defensive diversification, JP Morgan is the way to go. Those are my top 3 stocks for May 2025, Microsoft, SMCI, and JPM. Are you holding any of these? Let me know in the comments below. Also, drop your watch list so we can learn from each other. Remember, diversification is key. So spread your bets and always do your research. And if you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights. Welcome to Investors Lab, where we make money move simple. See you next time.